Constructing your dream home may throw many challenges. Whether you are making a new home or you are repairing it, availability of good building materials, problem with laborers can be a cause of concern. One of the major problems that contractors face is cracks, and we all know what follows after cracks: leakage. The best you can do is to follow good construction habits to avoid such problems. But before that, I would like to invite our guest, a contractor for 20 years, to talk about this problem. Bill, welcome to our studio.
Hi.
Hi. Bill, please tell us, do you face problems with cracks?
Oh yes, big problems.
What if I say, it's a simple problem with simple solution?
Simple problem? How's it simple? While finishing a slab in any construction, we use chunks of cement at various places. It gives a good finish to the slab. But as soon as it dries up, it starts cracking. These chunks of cement start cracking even if we apply them in gaps between two walls. No matter what you do, these cracks are unavoidable. And when you try to repair them, the same story repeats itself. It's a never-ending cycle. That's not simple at all.
Bill, if you stick mortar on a finished surface, cracks will develop. Be it a roof, bathroom, holes made for pipes, filling the gaps after plastering a wall, or even repairing any existing crack on your walls or slab, you will always get recurring cracks. Apart from this, whenever you apply an additional chunk of cement, that too will form cracks.
So what's the simple solution to this?
The simple solution is to change your 3 construction habits using Dr. Fixit Super Latex.
Dr. Fixit Super Latex?
Yes, a specially designed product to give our contractors a sigh of relief when it comes to these unwanted cracks.
And what are those 3 habits?
The first habit, don't mix water with cement. Mix Dr. Fixit Super Latex and make the sealer coat. Apply this sealer coat with a brush to seal the slab. Stop any kind of cracks and get a waterproof slab for a long period of time. Second habit, instead of a regular repair mortar, use polymer modified mortar. Make a polymer modified mortar or PMM by mixing super latex, cement and sand in the correct proportion. This mortar has great elasticity. It sticks better and does not break or crack easily. Third habit, whenever you stick mortar to a finished surface made with Dr. Fixit Super Latex to stick them together. This will give you a completely crack-free surface. Make sure you use polymer modified mortar instead of regular repair mortar.
This is doable. But how do I believe this works? Where's the proof?
I'll prove it to you, Bill. And for that, I will give you some demos. Here. We will make 2 long cylinders, one with regular mortar, which is cement, sand, water, and the other with polymer modified mortar, which is cement, sand, and Dr. Fixit Super Latex. Now let's roll them with regular mortar with polymer modified mortar.
Wow! The cylinder made from polymer mortar is completely intact, while the cylinder made from regular mortar is cracked into pieces very easily.
So as I said, polymer modified mortar made with Dr. Fixit Super Latex holds the cement together and does not break or crack easily.
Impressive. But can it stop water from entering through the cracks?
Of course. Let me show you the proof. Let's take a sieve. We will cover it using our sealer coat and let it dry. Now fill it with water. The result is in front of you. Not even a single drop of water is passing through the sieve. If the sealer coat can stop water from passing through a sieve with so many holes, it can definitely stop it from passing through your roof and bathroom walls.
Oh my, that's amazing. But will the waterproofing affect the bonding strength?
Absolutely not, Bill. Let me show it to you. For this, we will prepare a bond coat as per the given instructions.
Wow, it sticks to the thumb and appears like a coat of adhesive.
Did you get all the proofs that you were looking for?
Yes, I did. But I still have a doubt. How do we make a sealer coat, a polymer mortar and a bond coat?
Let me show it to you. First, we'll prepare polymer modified mortar. To make the polymer modified mortar, use 1 kg Dr. Fixit Super Latex, 10 kg cement and 30 kg sand. Mix them well and your polymer mortar is ready. Now, bond coat. Pour 1 kg Dr. Fixit Super Latex into a container. While slowly mixing it, add 1 kg cement to it. Keep mixing till it becomes homogeneous and your bond coat is ready. Now let's make sealer coat. Pour 1 kg Dr. Fixit Super Latex into a container and while mixing it slowly, add 1.5 kg cement to it. Keep mixing till you get a homogeneous mixture and your sealer coat is ready.
That's easy. But how and when to use them?
I'll show it to you, Bill. Use all 3 for finishing a new slab. While curing, fill the cracks with bond coat, repair with polymer modified mortar, and coat the slab with Dr. Fixit Super Latex Sealer Coat. First, clean the surface thoroughly. Then expand the cracks with the help of a machine or cutter in a V-groove. After that, clean the surface with water. Drain the excess water and let the surface dry for some time. Dry till the point that there is no excess water, but the surface is still moist. This is called Saturated Surface Dry Condition or SSD. Now apply one layer of bond coat on all open cracks and fill them with repair polymer mortar. Now apply 2 coats of sealer coat, one vertical and one horizontal. Maintain a 6 to 8 hour difference between both coats. And this will help you to fill all the pinholes and give you a better waterproofing. After you have applied the second coat, let it air cure for another 6 to 8 hours. After which you need to add protective cover in the form of screeds. So Bill, now as you have learned how to repair cracks on concrete and mortar, do you still have any doubts?
No, sir. It's all very easy and clear to me.
With the sealer coat of Dr. Fixit Super Latex instead of regular cement chunks, you will never find another crack. And using Dr. Fixit Super Latex's polymer modified mortar and bond coat will solve your leakage problem forever.
Thank you, sir. It feels like you have solved not only mine, but every contractor's big problem.
Like I said, it's a simple problem with simple solution. Change 3 construction habits using Dr. Fixit Super Latex.
Use Dr. Fixit Super Latex instead of water with cement to make the sealer coat. Replace your regular repair mortar with polymer modified mortar. And use bond coat made by Dr. Fixit Super Latex to stick mortar on any finished surface.
Exactly. And by doing this, you will get a crack-free surface for a very long time. Dr. Fixit Super Latex. Say goodbye to cracks and leakages.